What's going on, everyone? Today is Wednesday, and I am here at the JOB.
Right, you got on?
Man, I thought you were going that way, bro. I thought I was saying
Few minutes later.
That's a Ford fucking Ranger!
The clips that you just saw were from Monday night's meet. I believe the start time is 8 o'clock, but we like to get there on like 8:30, and that's when the crowd starts showing. But it was a pretty good turnout there. Lots of cars, variety of different vehicles. A lot of people enjoyed the trucks, came over, talked. I posted a picture, and we got invited out to another meet that they do Thursday nights. It's called the Market Meet or something here in College Station in Northgate. They do Thursday nights. That meet, I've seen plenty of pictures, and there are some badass cars there. So we're looking forward to going there. But really, man, we're just trying to stay busy. The tracks are closed. I believe the only track that's open right now is Little River, but Ennis and HRP in Baytown, they're both closed for the remainder of the year. So it's kind of bummer. You know, we haven't got a chance to take my wife's truck out and try her new setup. I'm still working on a couple of bugs on my setup, but until then, we are just trying to stay as busy as we can and active. So me and my friend Javier, some of you may know him as SVT Javier, came up with an idea for an event just to, showcase the trucks, have fun, interact with the locals here, and grow the community. You know, something just cool. So we thought of doing trucks and coffees on Sunday. So we put together a little flyer, and we started sharing it on social media. So hopefully that event turns out pretty good. But yeah, that is a quick rundown of what's going on so far. I will see y'all again on Thursday. I don't know.
Well, it is. I mean, I love it. And I spent a lot of time out there. I've gone to the Motor GP, they're doing the same.
Gail here delivering a package. Let me see what you got back. Got a grilled cheese.
So that if you ever cheat, I would give you second chance. What you mean? Second chance, that's gonna be your next man. Can't have no one in them G9, I'm just your X-Man. If I'm cheating, a cheated girl be my next plan. Alimony tide. Hold your head, fam. Don't know where we from, better check, man. You ain't from New York, you a Nets fan. All talk, no walk, Professor X-Man. Streets will lift you up and shoot you down. Look at X-Man, all dogs go to heaven. Peace to X-Man, all pride coming from a cause and what's that, man? Yeah, you know the drill. You know the drill.
Finally Friday. I'm off the next 10 days. Last night's event was pretty cool. Chill, good time. We just relaxed out there for about an hour and a half or so. Till about 9. It's time to get a much needed cut though. I am here at my barber. As you can see, I need it. As always, Mike has me right. Nothing like that fresh fade feeling. That boy SVT Joaquin.
Sir. Getting sponsored soon.
Nah, these dogs are gonna hug you. What's hot?
Fucking hot wing.
What'd you eat, Aaron?
Hot wing you gave me, man.
It's hot or what?
Yeah, where's the bottle? It's hot, bro.
The man, the myth, the legend. Oh, it's good, bro.
What's going on?
Oval. Representing the 1320.
Oh shit, we got cops.
So how's the trucks? What have we done to them? I love the old school look. You got some lightnings?
Howie, you just woke up or what? The Smoke a Lot Productions. I would show the engine bay, but it's top secret, huh?
That's what they call it, La Pintufa.
week's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I look forward to bringing you guys more. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, share, and